2 times 7 is 14. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21. Now we add 14 and 15. 6 times 7 is 42. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 7 is 35. 42 minus 20 is 22. Now pause the video and try it by yourself and comment down the answer. Did you get it right? This is an extension question. Try it. I hope you get it correct. Now let's try fraction multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. 7 times 5 is 35. And that is the answer. Now let's try the fraction division. So we keep the first fraction and change the division sign to multiplication sign. 6 times 5 is 30. 1 times 3 is 3. And 30 divided by 3 is 10, and that is the answer. Now pause the video and try it by yourself and comment down the answer. Now we divide numbers in cross, so 20 divide 5 is 4, and 12 divide 3 is 4 as well. So 4 times 4 is 16. This is an extension question. Try it by yourself and comment down the answer. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.